I gotta say, I really love this look. The truck is completely different, and I'm just gonna give you guys a little preview. So, got an update. I am currently on my way to pick up a new wheel and tire setup. The person actually wants my stocks that I have on now, with a little bit of cash added on top. I think it's a good deal. I'm just hoping that the setup fits properly. It's quite a bit bigger than what I have on here now. I have like 265s on here, and they're a little bigger, so we'll see. I did crank my keys up a little bit, so hopefully that helps. And the fenders and the front valence and bumper have already been trimmed by the previous owner, so I don't have to do that. I am prepared though. If I have to trim some more, I did bring the proper tools. This guy's like an hour and a half away, so the drive kind of sucks, but I think it's going to be worth it. I just hope that everything fits and there's no issues. I'm sure some of you can tell what kind of tires I have on. Very loud. It's my first set of mud graps. I don't mind it. They are very loud. Sounds pretty cool. I'm not sure if I'll get sick of it, but hopefully I can stop somewhere here while there's somewhat light out. So as you can tell, the truck looks absolutely amazing. I'm so happy with my decision that I made to get rid of my stock wheels and get these big old things. The graps are in decent shape. They are obviously used. These are OEM Denali wheels. They're obviously used, but it just completely changes the way that this truck looks. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the little switch up with the wheels and tires. A lot of fun getting these. It was a long drive, but it was worth it. I don't really know what is next for this truck. I'm sure I'll figure something out. Probably something to do with paint matching. And I would really like to do the taillights. At least get some new taillights, possibly color match them. Fix the bumper up. There's a few things wrong with the bumper, but overall, this truck is looking like absolutely something I would drive. Before, with the small ass wheels and tires, didn't exactly look like me. Now, this is what I think of a truck that would be mine.